So, what are you doing for your mom this Sunday? Well, DL, entertainer who is no stranger to us here at Smile, will be surprising his mom at her workplace, and he's joining us via Skype. Let's see what he's up to. Hi, DL.
Hey, Simon, what's up?
I'm well. How are you?
Good, great.
You're out working early today. Tell us what the plan is, DL.
Really, just to make mommy feel special. We know that Corona has taken its toll on the world, but mothers are still to be appreciated, and we're going to find every single way, Skype, WhatsApp video, every single way to make sure that happens.
Okay.
So that's why I'm here.
Am I to understand that that's your mommy beside you?
My beautiful, precious, confident, sophisticated mother.
Elena Burke Thomas. Good morning, mommy. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. And how are you?
I am very well, thank you for asking. Dear, what kind of surprise that? You're not supposed to like sneak up on her or something, but you stand up right there the whole time?
Well, never sing for her, so that is really the surprise, I think, you know?
Oh, okay. So mommy, tell us what kind of young man DL was growing up. What kind of son is he?
Well, I must say he was an awesome son. He was very kind. He was very friendly. As a baby growing up, we used to be afraid because if he would go away from us and say hi to everybody, always greeting somebody, and we had to just try to hold on to him so he wouldn't get into trouble. But growing up, he was always very kind. In high school, he would buy gifts for us, even when nobody bought him a Christmas gift, he would buy gifts for us. Of course, he gave his trouble, got a few spanking well. But
More than a few.
That sounds like a story I would like to explore a little more. Probably don't have the time for that. He was a nice young man. We're not sure what changed. I'm joking. Nothing changed. Mommy, you obviously did a very good job with him. DL, tell us a little bit about your mom. You obviously seem very close to her. I see you. They're hugging up now. You have to be careful, please, sir. Social distancing is very important. We want mommy to be okay. Where is your mask, Sir DL?
I have it right there. But for the purpose of this, I just, because I don't want to touch her with it.
Okay, well, be careful. All right, so tell me about mommy?
Mommy is everything to me, absolutely everything. Mommy gave her all. It's three of us as children that she had, and she gave us absolutely everything. Mommy has done everything for me in terms of providing for me and making sure that no matter how hard she has had to work, that I and my little brother and my little sister have everything.
Tell me about those 3 o'clock wake up calls in the morning.
Every morning,
studying for CXC, yeah.
Mommy bring with the tea, she bring with the peanut butter and the crackers, and she make sure say, everything is okay so that we could pass our subjects. As I said, that's really just the tip of the iceberg for what she has done. But I am gonna ensure that she has everything that she needs moving forward and that she is totally secure. So this is actually one of my life goals, make sure that she has everything.
Oh, that's so beautiful. So what you doing for this morning, Adiel? What you doing for mommy today?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna sing for her. I'm gonna sing for her. I have this really, really nice what do you call this again? Bouquet.
Poor thing.
Okay, so this is ever given. Okay, it's a new greenhouse. So big up the new greenhouse, and I'm very excited to give it to her because it is very, very expensive. So I'm very excited about this right now.
Okay, I think we have something here on set that's for mommy too. It's a basket from Women's Secret. Oh, yes.
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
So we will hand this over when we see you, dear. Here's a shot of it. Obviously, it's a secret, so I can't tell you what is in there. It's a women's secret, so here you go.
Yeah.
But it's nice and pretty and pink, so I'm sure there's some great stuff in here. Okay, sir. So the basket, the bouquet, is that it? Do we go to the singing now? Produce?
Yeah, we can.
All
I
right.
wanted
Go ahead,
I
dear.
wanted to say that on Sunday I'll also be singing for many different mothers all across the world. But right now I'll be singing for mommy.
Dale, you can put on the book right now still. It look heavy. Yeah, you have it for a long time. We believe that you're gonna give her. All right, on my cue. Take it away, DL.
So when I need motivation, my one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, yeah. She's always in my corner right there. When I'm on her, all these other girls not tempting, but I'm empty. When they gone and I said, oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right when I isn't she lovely? Yeah. Isn't she wonderful? And isn't she precious? Yeah. More than a million home. If I never thought I would find a mother as precious as mine, isn't she lovely?
Oh, that's
Mother, yeah, so royal, yeah, and I want her in my life,
all
yeah.
right, dear. You go on singing, and we're gonna take it away as Dale serenades his mom, Elena Burke Thomas. What a beautiful thing to see. I love to see it. The young men just loving on their mothers for all they've done for them. Thank you, DL, and happy Mother's Day to you, Elena, when it comes. Up next, the Pegasus offers Mother's Day takeout specials. We'll be right back with more on Smile. Dee dip dip da dee.